Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate source for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something special for all you budding artists and digital creators out there. We're diving into the world of digital art with the Simbans PicassoTab X drawing tablet. This fantastic tablet is making waves as one of the best entry-level drawing tablets available on the market. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned artist, this device has something exciting in store for you. Let's get right into it. Before we jump into the details, let's unbox the PicassoTab X and see what it comes with. Inside the box, you'll find a high-quality tablet case, a handy drawing glove, a universal power adapter, and a pre-installed screen protector. That's a total value of $50 in bonus items, in addition to the tablet itself. Now, let's talk about what makes this tablet stand out. The PicassoTab X features a crystal-clear 10-inch IPS HD screen, perfect for detailed and vibrant digital artwork. The screen resolution is 1920 by 1080, ensuring your creations will look stunning. What's impressive is that it's a standalone tablet, which means you don't need a computer to use it. You can take it anywhere, whether you're in the park, on the bus, or at school. It's portable and lightweight, making it a great companion for artists on the go. Connectivity is key, and this tablet has you covered. You can connect it to your home Wi-Fi network for seamless access to apps, browse the internet, or stream your favorite movies on Netflix. Plus, there's a micro HDMI port, allowing you to connect it to your TV for a bigger viewing experience. Now, let's talk about the stylus pen. The PicassoTab X comes with an active stylus pen that offers 1024 levels of pressure sensitivity. This means you can achieve precise and detailed strokes, just like you would with traditional art tools. Speaking of art, this tablet comes pre-installed with drawing and animation apps, including Concepts and Infinite Painter. These apps are perfect for creating professional quality artwork on your tablet. The tablet also includes Flip-a-Clip for animation enthusiasts. Whether you're into digital painting, sketching, or animation, the PicassoTab X has you covered. It's an excellent choice for artists of all skill levels, making it the perfect entry-level drawing tablet. It's important to note that the PicassoTab X is certified by GMS, FCC, and CE standards, ensuring safety and quality. It also comes with a 1-year warranty and exceptional customer service for any questions or concerns you may have. But wait, there's more. This tablet is not just for drawing. It operates on the Android platform, so you can use it for a wide range of activities, from watching your favorite shows to playing games and more. It truly is an all-in-one device for media consumption. Before we wrap up, take a look at this exquisite gift box. The PicassoTab X is packaged beautifully, making it an ideal gift for special occasions like birthdays, anniversaries, or any celebration where a thoughtful and stunning gift is appreciated. In summary, the Simbans PicassoTab X drawing tablet is the best entry-level drawing tablet that offers a fantastic drawing experience, exceptional connectivity, and an all-in-one package. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned artist, it's a valuable addition to your creative toolkit. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in getting your hands on this fantastic tablet, check the link in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.